The shapes of consonants were inspired by the shape of the speech organs involved in their pronunciation.
그,
Looks like the back of the tongue blocking the throat.
그, 느,
Looks like the shape of the tongue touching the upper gum.
느, 무,
Looks like the shape of the lips.
무, 스,
Looks like the shape of the teeth.
스, 으,
Looks like the open throat.
으,
Additional strokes are added to indicate stronger sounds, which require a more forceful breath.
드, 드, 부, 부, 즈, 즈,
Additional strokes, which indicate an even stronger, more aspirated sound.
크, 크, 트, 트, 푸, 푸, 츠, 츠, 흐, 흐.
There is also a unique consonant, which has a different shape.
를, 를,
3 consonants were removed in modern Hangul. There are 14 basic consonants.
Thank you.